Your job is simple: get more users and keep them longer. But when users log into your platform, they feel overwhelmed. They leave and never come back. That's lost revenue. But every problem is an opportunity. If you educate them early, you'll retain more users, reduce churn, and increase lifetime value. And that's where we come in. We create SEO-optimized video tutorials that reduce churn by educating your users. Here's what our tutorials actually do. They explain your product so users get it right away. Rank for high-intent keywords your customers are already searching for. Drive signups and reduce churn all at once. In today's digital landscape, video is more important for SEO than ever. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Google all prioritize content that includes clear, helpful video tutorials. So if you want to reduce churn and increase LTV, video tutorials are not optional anymore. They are a must. Book a free strategy call with me and let's build a custom growth plan for your products.